From its highest point to the lowest, the Grand Canyon is 1,857 meters deep. And when you look at these rock walls, you can see how it was developed. Just layer after layer of rock that's been eroded away. And maybe that's an interesting way to think about how you can develop. We often talk about growth and gaining skills, but you can still develop a lot by removing, or let's say, eroding layers. I really believe in simplicity and doing things efficiently. So by cutting out waste, you'll find it so much easier to achieve what you want to achieve. This could be time wasted or money wasted, but really, it's often our mental energy that we waste the most. We stress about things that aren't important. We worry about things we have no control over, and we care too much about what other people think and what they can achieve. Get rid of those layers. Let them wash away like the grains of rock in the Colorado River. If you just let a few wasteful worries go each day, over time, we can leave you with a whole new approach to life. Who knows what hidden depths you'll reveal within yourself?